This video is sponsored by A&M ACT. One thing you'll notice about the ACT, and this is going to be one that I actually love these, okay, and they're typically on the ACT a lot. But there's a lot of words there, and I don't know about you, but when you're getting about 40 into math, you probably don't want to read anymore. So my suggestion is if you see a picture of something, go straight to the question. To the nearest square foot, what is the area of the top of the deck? Now, what makes this a 40 is the fact that half of my pool is kind of in my deck. So I have to take it out. So this part right here is not part of my deck. It's showing you that the deck is this part. Guess what? I didn't have to read for that. So if I think about this logically, I'm going to realize that if I didn't have the pool there, my area would be 32 times 20, which would make a really nice problem. But my area is there, my pool is there. And not all of my pool is there, only half of my pool is there. And I do want to make sure whatever percent is inside that pool, you want to write it down, or inside whatever is like it's cut into it, you want to write it down because you're going to take out that whole pool by accident. So let's think about it. We want area, so that's going to be pi r squared. So, and we only want half of it. So writing down a formula is going to help you a lot. So we're going to start with half. And my diameter is something I have to find. Well, it says it's 32, and I'm going to subtract 8 because there's 4 on each side. So my diameter here is 24, so my radius is 12. So I'm going to go pi r 12 squared. Now, I can quickly put that through my calculator. I do get 640 here, and then I'm going to subtract that, and it looks like I get 226, because it does say to the nearest foot. Remember that, so we're not looking for exacts. So it would basically be 113.8, and the closest one to the nearest foot would be right there. So don't let ACT fool you with all the words. Go straight to, if it has a picture, go straight to the picture and see if I actually have to read anything. And here's the next one I want to talk about, because I do have a picture here, and I do have some information, but I may not necessarily have all of my information. So let's take a look and see what I'm missing. So I'm being asked, I'm going to still, even though I have a picture, I'm still going to go straight to what is the perimeter. So that means I want to go all the way around, so I want my perimeter, and I want to make sure I know this because I'm going to think area in feet of the swimming pool. So I want this area here only, so I don't necessarily want the outside part. So I may have to read a little bit, and it looks like only the first sentence. It says I have a 3-foot wide sidewalk that's all the way around it. So one of the tricks of ACT and what makes it a 41 is you may think, oh, well, that's 30 minus 3. But no, you forgot the other half of the sidewalk. It's a framing picture. So if you want to think about it as a frame, ACT loves these, and I'm going to tell you right now, you will see one on the ACT. I would say about 80% of the time. They like the framing ones where they actually, put something inside of the other and say, here, figure it out. But anyway, this is 3. This is 3. I'm going to take 30 minus 6. I end up with 24 in my pool. So I put a 24 here. But I want to put it on both sides, okay, because I want perimeter. And then I do the same thing over here, and since I realize that I'm subtracting 6 there, I'm also subtracting 6 here. So I'll end up with 34 over here and 34 over here. And the reason I want to make sure I write perimeter everywhere is because there, right there, is the area of my pool. I want my area. So now all I have to do is go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So basically you're looking at, which one? That's right, 116. Hopefully you got that, and you can see I didn't have to read all this stuff because it says the outside edge of those sidewalks measures this. Hey, guess what? They're already marked. And as shown in the figure below. So in essence, a lot of these are not going to be requiring a lot of reading. You just need to look at the picture and see what you're missing based on the question. You have a good day. Give me a thumbs up saying you like the video so I make more of these. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time. At A&M ACT Prep, we offer small classes. Visit our website, amactprep.wordpress.com, for more information and to register for our upcoming classes.